guys, today I got another video for you guys. I have an ABS light coming on my dash as I'm driving. You can see my odometer just keep going up and down, so we're going to be replacing the ABS sensor. Come along as I show you how to do this on a Chevy Express. So guys, we're going to be changing the ABS sensor on this Chevy Express. It's so easy to change. So first and foremost, just take your wheels off. So guys, if you can look, these are the ABS sensor. See, it goes this way and get connected right here. But to actually get to it, it's actually at the back of your wheel. So right there, that's the ABS sensor wire. So in order to get to it, that means you have to take the brake. The brake side, I gotta take it out. The hub gotta come out as well, so you'll be able to get access to the ABS sensor. So it's super easy. So you gotta take the brake, gotta take it out. Guys, I took out the bolt, and I'll be bringing out the ABS sensor. So these I don't know which one is bad, so I'm just going to change both of them. So in order to unplug these, right, so you just gotta, there's a clip right here, you lift it up and you pull out the sensor. That's it. So this grease came with the ABS. Let's put a lid on it. Later of it, I'll put it on it. Just a little bit. So I'll put the ABS, the new one, I'll put it back the way I took the old one out. Oh yeah. So it go back into that hole, guys. Guys, now the new ABS light is installed, but while I was doing it, I broke the zip tie, so I just gotta put a different zip tie to hold it to the chassis of the truck. Now you have a new ABS sensor. Just put your wheel back. So whatever you do on the left side, just repeat the same thing on the right side, and that's it. All right, guys, give this video a thumbs up, like, please share, and comment, please. I'll see you in the comment section. Just comment. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.